Hello guys, I am Shivam Datta and welcome to the first video of my machine learning series. Now let's start the video. So firstly, what is machine learning? Basically, machine learning is a way by which we train a model using the trained data and predict the result or predict a value on the basis of a machine learning algorithm, predict the value of the test data. For this we perform different techniques. That if we have the whole data, we do the train test splitting and we do the analysis and then we predict the values. So now let's talk about the definition of machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn. Process of learning begins with observations of data such as direct experience or instructions in order to look for patterns. Primary aim is to allow computers to learn. Okay. Now there are types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Now what is supervised learning? That is, we analyze a training data set and the learning algorithm produces an inferred function to make predictions about the output values. Basically, we have a training data set, we have a trained data by which we train the model, and then when we give a new input or a test data, it predicts the results, it predicts the output for the test data. This is the supervised machine learning. In unsupervised machine learning, our data is neither labeled nor classified. So we have a unlabeled data. So basically it explores the data and draw inferences. So when we use unlabeled data, unclassified data, it is unsupervised machine learning. In semi-supervised machine learning, it is somewhere between supervised and unsupervised machine learning. It uses both labeled and unlabeled data. That is, we have a large amount of unlabeled data and a small amount of labeled data, and it improves the learning accuracy basically. So semi-supervised learning is chosen. So the basically what is that, we have a large amount of unlabeled data and a small amount of labeled data. This is basically semi-supervised. And reinforcement learning is basically based on the trial and error search, right? So allows machine and software agents to automatically determine the ideal behavior within a specific context in order to maximize its performance. So basically now let's talk about some of the Python libraries we are using for machine learning. We will also discuss how to code machine learning programs. That is, uh, we will perform predictions in Jupyter Notebook. We will do analysis of data, and we will predict like different disease prediction or predicting the stocks and other projects we will also do in this playlist. So now let's for in a brief we discuss some of the Python libraries that we use uh, for machine learning. Let me write it here. Why the size is not coming here? Okay. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Sklearn, TensorFlow, NLTK. This is used for natural language processing. So these are the libraries, we will learn about them. These also have some documentations, official documentation. You can also go to the official documentation for learning more about them. So that's it for this video, and see you next time. And please access my machine learning playlist. I also have a C programming playlist, a Django playlist. Access them, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Uh, that's it for this video. I'm Shivam Datta. signing off.